Most people think you need a website, paid ads, or endless content to build an online business. The truth is, those methods often cost too much, take too long, or burn you out. Ghost Pages flip that model upside down by giving you a way to create traffic and income without all the hassle. Here's how it works. Ghost Pages are built on Google's own platforms, which means they get ranked quickly and pull in free traffic fast. Instead of relying on one site or one campaign, you can build multiple ghost pages targeting different keywords and niches. Each page acts like a mini traffic stream, and when you stack them together, they create a system that runs almost on autopilot. This is what makes ghost pages so powerful for building a sustainable online business. You don't need domains, hosting, or constant updates. You simply focus on creating pages that drive traffic to affiliate offers, your own products, or even an email list that you can monetize for years to come. The key is consistency. The more pages you build, the stronger your foundation becomes. Over time, you're not just chasing quick wins. You're creating digital assets that generate long-term income. If you're ready to start building a sustainable online business with ghost pages, check the link in the description and get started today.